Hey, Gustavo, where are we at?
Universal Studios Hollywood.
Or last time. Most likely.
Last time for a while.
Yeah, taking a break.
Taking a break. There's nothing really new up here, so. But we will come back when Halloween Horror Night starts up.
Yeah.
So,
They still got Grinchmas.
Oh yeah, they still have Grinchmas. But for anybody who is a pass holder or want to come to the park, this is the perfect time.
Yeah, it's pretty dead right now.
It's really dead. There's like nobody here.
Well, they have the construction for Fast and Furious.
But yeah, I don't know when is this going to open up, you know?
This year, sometime.
This year? Oh, probably summer.
Mm.
They probably want to get the summer crowd.
I don't know, they haven't even gone up yet, so.
No, I doubt it will open in summer.
Probably maybe next year, who knows?
I think it's next year. It's a miracle if they get it open this year. But yeah, right now I checked, Super Mario Kart was only 45 minutes. That's not bad.
No.
And yeah, a lot of the rides are pretty, not a long time wait. So it's a good
The
time.
Fast and Furious sign.
Yeah.
Stay seated, keeping your arms and your legs inside of the vehicle at all times. If you look off to your right, you'll notice there's a lot of cool things down there to see. You'll also notice that it is private property as well, so don't exit the tram for any reason unless I instruct you to do so. These cars bring is that not everything that you see on a film set is going to be what it looks like. Some of these cars don't even have working engines. And I'm not even talking about the Flintstone cars. Some of those Flintstone cars were working golf carts. But other ones are just empty fiberglass frames. It's whatever they need when they're filming. For example, if you're filming a giant stunt scene, maybe with some big robots in a movie like Transformers that use this tank here to your left, you'll get that tank and make it almost entirely out of wood. You'll wheel it into place, you'll light it on fire, and it makes the whole filming sequence look even more realistic to you when you watch it. Fast driver. I see we have a dinosaur expert on board here in the first car, so I wanted to recreate this filming location from Jurassic Park. He's right here in the front. Hello, sir. You may notice some cages. You'll see the mobile lab unit to your left from Jurassic Park 2: The Lost World. And I've actually arranged for some celebrities to come meet you on your tour today. So watch your cameras, please. No pictures. They're a little shy. Here they are. Some of the dinosaurs from Jurassic Park. They're spitting. Oh, they're spitting. Thank you, ladies. I appreciate that. What a signature, huh? Who would have known they'd hand those out? It's mostly water as well, so that's good, mostly. Oh, there's the Spinosaurus there, giving a big smile. Don't stick your hands up there, actually. Park in Amity Island, there it is right there. Wasn't even that scary, right? And if you're still concerned, don't panic. There's a diver in the water. He's going to watch out for any sharks. Sharks! There is a shark in the water. Don't worry, like I said, there's a diver out there, George. He is trained in shark fighting tactics. He's going to keep us safe. Sounds of film. Move forward. No, hold on now. Keep an eye on that yellow barrel. It does have some shark bait on it. No reason to panic. We're behind these very safe barrels marked gasoline. Okay, that is moving. I gotta call this in. Keep an eye on that yellow barrel, please. Studio George Security. Hi, security. This is Garrett. So keep an eye on that barrel. Yeah, the shark is actually attacking us at Amity Island. Yeah, I can hold. Ladies and motel.
What happened to all the cars?
Alfred Hitchcock's classic.
I know.
Psycho.
Crazy. Where they put all the cars? Oh, am I gonna get it? The time
Don't be
he's not
scared,
here
ladies
today.
and gentlemen. Norman Bates. I don't even see him. I think we're going to be just fine. In fact, one of the things that I love about this area is really nice. Oh no, he's coming down the stairs. No direct eye contact. No direct eye contact.
Side set is a perfect example of a set.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Planet, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Share. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show.
Oh, there's the alien. He's inside the window.
Behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush
There he
frontier
is.
town lies a sinister secret.
They always move it.
It is smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot.
What's happening? Mr. Peel?
Welcome to the world of no.
So we did the studio tour.
It's a little different today.
Yeah, they had an empty parking lot where Dr. Seuss catnap, or not catnap, the Grinch used to be.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
behind
just a lot of production going on.
Oh yeah, there was a lot. Yeah, it seems like they're going back to making movies again, TV shows.
But right now we're going to Toadstool Cafe. We haven't been there in over a year,
I think so. Yeah.
so let's see if it's still good. I was able to get a reservation while we were on the studio tour, so we're trying to rush down there to go. We have it in like 5 minutes right now. So what'd you think of Toadstool this time?
You know, it's just a long wait. Sucks.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, we did a reservation, and it's just like they need to figure out a better way.
It takes
to wait an
forever.
hour in line and then another 20 minutes just to get the food. It's like almost not worth it,
No, it's not.
and it's super expensive too
It is.
for what it is.
Like
But
the chicken burger you get,
Oh,
it is
yeah.
really good. It is really good.
the Luigi burger.
Yeah, Luigi burger. I got this like short rib toad, and I was just like, ah.
It was very small for $25, so I was like, I should have. I'm sure you guys seen it in other people's videos. I just wanted to eat and enjoy my food because I was so like, when I have to wait for a long time for my food and I'm really hungry, I get hangry, so I kind of don't want to do a video when I'm hangry. But yeah, so today is our last day as pass holders.
Pass holders.
I want to cry.
It's okay.
but
for now.
It's okay. We're taking a break, save some money, and we're gonna spend more time at Disneyland, which honestly I prefer because I'm kind of over Universal.
Yeah, it's just
it's boring.
It's after
Like
a while.
I could have gone on a few more rides before we left, but kind of not feeling good after eating all that food. So
Like, I feel like it is worth it to have the pass holder at least 2 years.
yeah,
Like, that's how long we've been, for 2 years. But after 2 years, I feel like you've done
Get it.
everything you can.
but it's like at Disneyland, I still feel like I haven't done everything because there's so much to do. There's 2 parks. The food's way better. I hate to say it, but it's true. The food is way better.
At California Adventures.
Huh?
I think California Adventure has the better food.
Well, Disneyland's got good food. Jolly Holiday.
So yeah, it does actually. Yeah.
It has good treat desserts.
But other than that, but we're gonna see maybe sometime in the future. Maybe try the VIP experience.
Oh yeah.
We'll bring that to you guys. But other than that, maybe for sure you know us. We're coming back for Halloween Horror Nights.
Yep.
Nothing's gonna stop us. Maybe that's when we'll get our annual passes like up 2 months before, so we could start bringing the updates.
Yep. But yeah, for now we're just taking a break.
Yeah, we're burnt out.
Spend more time and money at Disneyland.
Yeah, like have a good time there. So bring your videos from there, and also what's coming up soon.
Oh, CreepyCon.
CreepyCon. We're both excited, but I know she's excited more.
What, CreepyCon?
Yeah, you know who's going to be
David Arquette.
David
from
Arquette.
Scream.
So we're going to bring that to you guys soon.
But just before we go, what do you think? What houses are going to be coming this year?
Oh, this year? Oh, man. You know, Thanksgiving, that'll be cool.
Uh-huh.
You know, but other than that, like, I'm just more excited for the original houses, see what they could bring to the table. They already did The Last of Us, so that's done. I don't know. Thanksgiving, I guess.
For me, Thanksgiving, I hope they put that to use because it did really well at the box office. Honestly, I do not care about Blumhouse and what they have to offer because it's just it's over and done with for me. I'm kind of like, let's get some new stuff, but I know they got a deal going, so we're gonna see a Blumhouse house somewhere in there.
And
but
more IP houses. They're going to do that.
Like Scream, The Strangers. The Strangers is coming out with a new movie this year.
Oh yeah, they are. So
they
that'll be cool. If that makes a lot of money.
Yeah. I mean, it's coming out in May, so they got plenty of time to plan for it.
Yeah.
But
Scream, yeah. But that's
I don't want to talk about it. But thank you guys for watching, and we hope to see you soon.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.